Welcome back to Death Toll Racing. I have a Danielson copper-faced hammer. Isn't that thing cool? I inherited it from my grandfather. Really like this hammer. I use it all the time. Austin thought it was cool as well, so he got me a present for my birthday last year so that we can make our own. So how cool is that? So what it is, it's a Graham tool mold kit, and I had to voice over this because I'm really dumb. For making a hammer. He got me the 4-pound version. They make them in 1 through 6 pound in 1 pound increments. Comes with 5 pounds of lead, so we'll only use 4 pounds of it. Theoretically, I'll probably wear 1 of the pounds. And then the handle. So the handle, you mold it right onto the end of the handle. So you just stick the handle in there like that, making sure it's level. Put the clamp on, tighten it down. Make sure the little ladle is level. So this is my theory. So this is my plan here. I'm gonna cut the bar into 4 or 5 pieces. So it'll be 1 pound each piece. Roughly, obviously it won't be perfect. Then I'm gonna heat up the lead. I think all 4 pounds is gonna fit in the ladle, but we'll see. And then we're going to loosen that just enough so that I can force it like this, pouring it in, and then you'll have to roll it back just a little bit so that you don't have the lead sticking through. Otherwise you won't be able to get the hammer out. And then we'll tighten it down, let it cool off, and then we will pull out a hammer. How cool is that?
I'm just using a little bandsaw, battery-powered bandsaw. I leave 1 piece 2 pounds because it's actually kind of hard to cut with bandsaw, believe it or not.
All right, so I'm going to double check that everything on this thing is exactly how I want it. And I want to really make sure that I'm going to be able to do this without burning myself. So I'm going to do a couple dry runs. So it's going to be somewhere like that. I'm going to be standing on the other side, and then we'll have to roll it back a little bit, and then I'll just tighten it again. It should be good. I've done that quite a few times, and I haven't had a problem with it yet. Help it a little bit so that it actually makes contact with the bottom. Right now we're going to put our larger piece in. Hopefully I can get that to melt without it falling over. This should be 3 pounds right here. Will be our 4th pound. We don't have to worry too much about it overflowing because it's just going to pour into the hammer mold. Get rid of the junk on the top. Appears to be full already. Just make sure. All right, so it's been a while now, and I'm not sure exactly how long. It's still hot, but I don't think it's melted anymore. So let's see if we can't split this mold. Oh, it looks like a hammer. Oh, look at that. That actually turned out really good. Oh, we're a little shy on the top. Dang. In the end, I guess that'll work. So let's just take it out of there. Okay, so here we have it. So we have that little imperfection. But I think it'll still hit stuff, and it's soft. So I think really what happened is I probably should have tried maybe filling it all the way up with just 3 pounds of lead, and seeing, because there was quite a bit of lead left over. I don't think it was taking out the handle. So had we not had a handle in there, it probably would take 4 pounds exactly. So next time I do it, I will try doing it less. So it actually turned out amazingly well. Look at how nice that casting looks. So now if you really wanted, you could kind of file it or hit it on something hard. Let's try that. Let's see what it does when we just kind of hit the, yeah. That looks pretty good. And just smash it into shape. It has a really hefty amount of weight to it. How cool. I really wish I would have got it better than that, but I don't think it's worth cutting it up and starting over again. And I can't get the thing to reclose on it. So I think we'll just call that one good enough. And then after we use it a few times and it starts getting smashed up, since it is a very soft lead, as you can see there, we'll just remake it and it'll look pretty cool. All right, well, thank you, Austin. This was so cool. You know, other than the air bubble I got, and that's because I had too much lead in the pot, and I know now next time. Other than that, it turned out so good. It's a super soft hammer, so it really is soft, but it's heavy enough to move the item and soft enough to hopefully not get damaged by it. So anyway, thanks for watching. That was really cool. Like, share, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and we will see you again soon.